So magandang araw kabole, sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabole, maraming bagay po around the league kabole. Sana naman pong rumor kabole na nilabas po ni Snow. Good, a big trade suggestion po for Rain or Shine Magnolia. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription kabole. So yun, nagkaroon ata ng konting misunderstanding po kabole ang Araneta at ang PBA kasi naglabas po ng bagong kumbaga po guidelines itong Araneta kabola regarding nga po sa mga advertisements sa LED wall or something kabola. And yun nga, clarify ng PBA, parang gusto ata ng Araneta kabola is magkaroon daw sila ng porsyento nga dito po sa mga ads po na nandito sa mga LED kabola. Ayun, so ngayon inaayos nila na for this season kabola hindi pa yung may implement, parang ganun. So this is in a way a big thing to talk about, knowing nga po na Araneta pa rin po yung mas pinipili po ng PBA kabola. Now RHJ willing to break fasting in PBA finals if necessary kabola. Yung mga ganitong parang yung mga, syempre may konting controversy yan, di ba? Of course kasi religion yan kabola ni RHJ. And of course, pinapakita naman niya kabola yung willingness niya kabola to adjust for the sake of TNT. So kung TNT fan ka, of course, you should appreciate this effort from Ronde kabola. Pero in reality, di ba? He will still not be at 100% all throughout these finals kabola kasi nga under Ramadan siya. So nasa Ginebra na yan. Of course, Ginebra will be able to take advantage of that. And they should kabola. Wala naman silang nakapakan doon kabola. So, Vic Manuel lives up to hype sa kanya pong debut sa MPBL kabola. As expected, he was a man among boys. Yun po yung parang lumabas doon kabola. He was unstoppable kabola. The post scoring is still there, especially na sobrang meron siyang height advantage for most of his defenders kabola, yung mga obvious na pinakita niya. And of course, it really shows kabola that dito nga po sa MPBL kabola, kaya-kaya niya, baka MVP candidate to kabola si Vic Manuel. And it also shows kabola na sa PBA kabola, pwede pa sana siyang maglaro. Now, ito na nga yung rumor kabola. So, Blackwater Elite daw could also be on sale kabola. So, of course, that is good news, di ba kabola? Di ba? We want also, di ba, kung talagang hindi mo magseseryoso ang Blackwater kabola, even though, of course, they have a serious franchise in need of marketing kabola, yung Blackwater nga na mismo na company kabola, they need marketing kabola, pero yun nga, they chose to do those farm team in a way trades kabola, kaya nasisira din yung image nila. Now if they really want to sell kabola, I hope a strong group kabola will really try din kabola to get this one and get of course an approval, kasi proven naman na po ang strong group. Of course this Blackwater franchise is worth trying to get. They are already in line for another top 4 pick, and they have Bearfield, easily a top 10 player po, possibly as early as next season. Christian David is also high potential po na young man kabola, and then meron pa silang Hopia, a 6'8 kabola that can also become special kabola. Now ito na yung ating trade suggestion for Rain or Shine Magnolia. So nag-isip nga ako paano i-full blast kumbaga po ng Rain or Shine, try i-take advantage po yung kagustuhan daw ng Magnolia na makuha yung ilan sa mga young players po ng Rain or Shine. For me, this will be the trade. Lapot Abueva na future first kabola for Limeti, Clarito, and Villegas. So Limeti and Clarito, yan yung target daw kabola ng Magnolia. So ibibigay mo yan together with Villegas kabola. Yeah, may injury, pero by next season maging healthy na siya ulit. So yan yung mga pwede mong ibenta dyan. Now for Rain or Shine kabola, ang ginagawa nila dito is they are trying to target kabola another legit starting caliber center in Laput kabola, so that they can create a legit twin tower kabola na Laput at saka ito nga pong si Kit Dato. And of course, for me, Abueva is still serviceable. For me, Abueva kabola, even with that age, marami pa rin po siyang ibibigay, especially in versatility. And then the future first kabola is kumbaga pang kompleto ng straight value. Pero talagang sa akin dito kabola, tina-target ng Rain or Shine. For me, they're trying to target, of course, yung versatility na madadala at saka yung veteran at saka yung experience na madadala ng Abueva. And then, of course, yung size na madadala ng Laput kabola. And then, yung future first na lang is for their future kabola. Kabola, sa balagay mo, sino panalo sa trade na to? Comment lang po sa baba.